Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify abandoned cart flows with Omnisend step by step clearly. Log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Omnisend app. Once inside Omnisend, go to the Automation tab. Select Flows from the drop. Find the abandoned cart flow you want to update. Click on the specific flow to open it. Review the current steps in the flow. Identify any areas that need improvement or updates. To add a new email, click the Add button. Choose email from the options provided. Customize your email subject line and content. Make sure to include dynamic content to personalize the message. Set the timing for when this email should be sent. Next, check the existing delays between emails. Consider adjusting these delays based on your target audience. To delete an unnecessary step, click on the trash icon. Save any changes you make. Test the updated flow to ensure everything works correctly. Use the preview feature to see how your emails will look. Finally, activate the updated flow by clicking the Activate button. Your abandoned cart flow is now updated and ready to capture lost sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.